Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing MSVI, TTNP, WTRH, PHAS, MYMD, ADHC, CLVS, APTX, HGEN, LWLG, and WNFT. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With out of the way, for all subscribers out there were no alerts this week, no new videos. I've been on vacation all week. Every year around July 4th, I like to take the time off, spend it with my family, clear my head, and get ready for the second half of the trading year. So excited. I got a clear head, ready to rock and roll, make some money for our subscribers. First up this week, the big winner was MSVI, up 408%. The company is making a pivot and will be focusing on its name change is Mushrooms Inc. I think that's a smart move. A lot of psychedelic mushroom companies have gone public in the last year, so we'll be watching MSVI for further upside. Next up is TTNP. This was a big runner on the NASDAQ, up 148% on FDA news, just a 10 million share float. So this is why this one can get lit up. And that's what you want to focus on right now is these low float, particularly NASDAQ right now. I like NASDAQ penny stocks better than OTC. Going to be having some alerts for our subscribers. I've been running screens before this video. There's a lot of things, a lot of stocks I like right now. To get my alerts, go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. Sign up with your email and your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. And I release all of our profiles at the opening bell, so text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. And the best part is all of our alerts are free. Our email and our SMS service are a completely free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. WTRH, nice move this week. This one looks like it has finally bottomed. So nice play here. Like the price action in WTRH. Closed on Friday, up 48%. PHAS looks like this is another looks like the bottom is finally in, making a nice move above the 20 and the 50-day moving averages. We're not going to run into resistance until $2 at the 200-day moving average. MYMD, nice move on Friday, closed up 42%. This one has been hitting a lot of scanners. If you look on Finviz, finviz.com, I saw this one last month. Really broke through the trend line resistance here, and it's just been stair-stepping all week. And we got some nice short covering on Friday, so I really like the price action in MYMD. On the OTC, we got ADHC up 84% for the week. This one is was a runner in May, June, running again. They're getting ready to put out updates. They've been talking about this on Twitter. They said, just to clarify, the 8-figure deal is the first one in the pipeline, more to come. They said, shareholders, buckle up. 8-figure deal is dropping next week. Just a $4.5 million market cap. So, when you got an 8-figure deals being bandied about, and you get this small market cap, it's very easy to move the share price. So again, guys, OTC, NASDAQ, focus on your low float plays. That's where the action is and where you can make a lot of money. So again, we don't have the bull market like we did 2021, but there are there are still plenty of opportunities on the OTC and the Nasdaq. The key is trading fresh new plays. Forget about the old plays. You know, a lot of them are just, there's too many bag holders, too much dilution. You gotta, if you want to make money in penny stocks on the OTC and Nasdaq, you gotta be constantly trading, swing trading. You get these these multi-day runners. That's the key. That's where you make some money. You know, getting in before the crowd, riding the wave, and then getting out. Always be booking profits. You're in the business of making money, not diamond hands, paper hands, BS. Ignore all that noise, guys. Next up is CLVS. This was a gift. I talked about this one last week in my video. Congrats to all that played CLVS this week, up 53%. So nice move here. There will be no reverse split. This is forcing short sellers to cover, up 281% this month. So, well, actually, over the past month. So, since June last month, it's been a nice runner. This one here, you could have gotten it as low as 58 cents. So again, this is why this one has just been an incredible runner off the lows. Next up is APTX. We got data coming. This is a NASDAQ biotech, so keep your eye on this one. This one was trading at 3.5 just back in February. Got crushed in April. Nice bottoming action. So if this data is positive, it's really going to light up APTX. Next up is HGEN. Nice move this week, up 68%. Another one looks to have bottomed. They got positive COVID treatment news out. 11% of the float is short, so we're seeing the shorts forced to cover. We're going to run into some resistance at major resistance at the 200-day moving average of 371. We close above there, guys, and it's blue skies ahead. So HGEN is certainly one to get on your radar screen as well. Next up is LWLG. 17% of the float is short. There's been a number of short seller reports attacking this company. Guys, you know, shorts are sometimes the gift that keeps on giving. They give you an opportunity to you know, they come in, they hit the stock, they give you an opportunity to load up on the lows, and then they start covering, and it forces a squeeze, and the stock moves higher. So, you know, I welcome short sellers. You know, when you get that big short position, and you know, the stock starts making a move, they're forced to cover, and that's where you can make a lot of money. So we really here at InsiderFinancial.com, we like these low float short squeeze plays. Cannot stress that enough. And you know, the best part is, like you said, we do all the work for you guys. So go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. We run the screens. We look for these types of plays for our subscribers, and we are a completely free service. Lastly, guys, is WNFT down 76% on Friday. This was a gift to some smart investors. If you panic sold, I feel for you. Panic selling is never good, guys. It's just a delay. Read the press release. It's not the end of the world. The lawsuit was appealed. I don't see the appeal going through. This is just a temporary delay, folks. So again, this one will deliver. The merger will close. There's a lot to like about WNFT. So stay tuned, and congrats to those that bought the dip and caught the low. So again, congrats, guys. With that being said, let's rock this week. Let's get back to making money. A lot of things on my screen. Going to be delivering a few alerts for subscribers this week. So make sure you sign up at signup.insiderfinancial.com or in any of the pop-up boxes on insiderfinancial.com. That being said, I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend, and I'll be coming to you live Monday after the bell with a new video update. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.